race here. One or two coming straight off really good indoor seasons, others who've already had a few races running very, very fast as well. Might be hard to pick an outright favourite here. Although Tina Clayton has been watching her sister, Tia, her twin sister, already run incredibly quick. This is Delphine and Kanza of Belgium. Set PBs at 200 and 300 this year, not far off 100 personal best as well. The very, very good young Australian Tori Lewis, world under-20 champion, and just 21 now. Hasn't had the best of starts in 2026. Anya Del Pont, good to see her back, running well. Had a good start to her season, already run 11.11, one of her fastest times back home in Switzerland. John Smith is going to go in lane 4, indoor personal best, 7.03 in the semi-finals. Hit the world indoors, finished 5th in the final there. Talking about indoor performances, this was the champion, Zanab Dosso of Italy. She went a bronze at the world indoors, a silver at the world indoors, and then finally getting the gold. Incredibly fast starter. Can she yet break 11 seconds? Has not done it so far in her career. Tina Clayton has, still only 21. As I said, the two twins, incredible, and they kind of seesaw, don't they? Tina's just a brilliant, brilliant athlete in her own right, but Tia now running very well, has got one of the quickest times in the world this year. This is Lavanya Williams from Jamaica. They just keep producing more sprinters. Actually, at the World Relays, we had 3 Williams in the Jamaican team, Brianna, Jordine and Lavanya, who went on the last leg. Then we got Mackenzie Long, perhaps a better 200-meter runner. We'll be going in the 200 later on, as a few of these athletes are. And then Van der Weken, bronze medalist at the World Indoor Championships behind Dosso. Again, a new national record for her, that shorter distance, but also yet to break 11 seconds outdoors. Bacon closest to the camera. All of them will think they've got a good chance here. A bit of an open 100 meters, perhaps Clayton the favorite just now. Silver medalist from the World Championships in Tokyo. Just need the crowd to quieten down a little bit. They're quite quiet at the start, but not elsewhere. Couple of twitches at the start, Smith in particular, but look at this. Tina Clayton's got out very, very quick indeed. Dosso's been completely left. It's going to be Clayton moving away from everybody else. This is going to be an easy win. Is it going to be quick? 10.85. Another excellent performance from Clayton. Was going to start as the favourite there, and she'll be pleased not only to have won, but she's just pipped the season's best of her twin sister as well by a few hundred. Personal best for. Yeah, she's a good starter as well. Left Dosso completely, really, and then just keeps going away from everybody there, Tim.
She does, yeah, 4th from left there. Sometimes when you see an athlete dominate the first 50 line, they get other blocks really well. They get run down, but she doesn't. She holds her form really well. Quite small, powerfully built, and that's a going away performance, team. Wow, 10.85, a season's best for the Jamaican. And it's the Jamaican 1, 2, 3 with Williams and Smith in 2nd and 3rd, but she wins by 1/10 of a second, which at that speed is probably just over a metre.
Tina Clayton, it's a Diamond League win. How are you feeling about the race tonight?
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. I just came out here to execute, and I know once I executed, then the race is mine. Had little mishaps in the race. Nothing that can be fixed, but as I said, we are going back to the drawing board to fix things that need to be fixed.
It's obviously still May and you're running 10.85. Does that make you very excited about what might be to come further on in the summer?
I'm always excited, and I think this has grown my confidence after winning that silver medal. I've never sit back and lay back. I was hungry for more, and this is the hunger I have to be more successful.
Has life changed at all since that silver medal?
Not really. just continue training and fix necessary things. We take things into stride. If it's there a case I need to rest, then we rest. But otherwise than that, we take things into stride and fix necessary things that will make me become greater.
We look forward to that. Well done tonight.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, what a race, what a track and field event. The women's 100-meter final 2026 season, absolutely amazing. Jamaica once again soaked the world. Unbelievable. Believe me guys, this is a historic 100-meter sweep. Jamaican super queen of sprint Tina Clayton leads Jamaican insane 100-meter sweep in Rabat Diamond League 2026 season. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Kindly like the video. Yeah man, the women's 100-meter final at the Rabat Diamond League 2026 season delivered a stunning display of Jamaican Queen's sprint dominance as Tina Clayton leads a sensational Jamaica clean sweep against a world-class field. Guys, believe me, the atmosphere in Rabat was electric as some of the world's fastest women lined up for what promised to be an exciting 100-meter showdown. On the lineup were United States of America, Mackenzie Long, Australia, Tori Lewis, Jamaican Johnny Smith, Rafenya Williams from Jamaica, Tina Clayton also from Jamaica, Shayna Budosho from Italy, Dovini Kasha from Belgium, Agila Del Ponte from Switzerland, and Patricia van der Weeken from Luxembourg. Guys, believe me, this was a very incredible lineup. 9 world giants in sprinting, all for one mission, taking victory home. Guys, believe me, fans expected a fierce battle from these great sprinters, more so the everlasting rivalry between USA and Jamaica, but few could have predicted what was about to happen. All eyes were on the Jamaicans and USA sprinter who arrived in excellent form and ready to make a statement. Guys, I gonna tell you the truth, all eyes were on the blocks, but nobody expected a podium sweep this dominant so early in the season. Out of the blocks, Tina Clayton's execution was flawless. She completely destroyed the field, rolling across the line in a staggering 10.85 seconds, a brand new season best. But guys, believe me, the magic didn't stop there. Rafenya Williams pushed her right behind her, securing a massive personal best of 10.95 seconds, taking a second position, and Johnny Smith locked it down in 11.00 seconds to complete the clean sweep. Patricia van der Weeken from Luxembourg finishing in 4th position in time of 11.08 seconds. USA Mackenzie Long finishing in 5th position in time of 11.19 seconds. Tori Lewis from Australia settling for 6th position. Shayna Budosho from Italy 7th position. Dovini Kasha from Belgium 8th position. Agila Del Ponte from Switzerland crossing the podium in 9th position. Guys, it's Jamaica clean sweep. What an incredible performance from the sprint powerhouse nation. The crowd erupts as Jamaican once again proves why it's remain one of the most dominant force in world sprinting. Guys, let me know your thoughts at the comment section down below here. Was this the most impressive women's 100 meters performance of 2026 season? Can anyone stop Jamaican sprint queens this year? Let me know your thoughts at the comment section down below here. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this amazing channel, and turn on that notification bell for more world class track and field action. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next upcoming video. Blessings.